Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then click on Not Now if you wish to in this newsletter and updates pop-up. And finally choose OK to close it. Then on an Android, click on one of those options if you see notifications pop up to allow or don't allow them. And then do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Finally, you can choose Receive over here at the bottom of your Samsung tablet and Send at the bottom left corner of an Android device. Now tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and click on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one file. For example, this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Samsung tablet, choose Yes I agree or No thanks. Click on Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to input key, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing your tablet's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and hit Receive. Now, after a while, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!